In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the iRig to record 2 tracks when you're practicing your guitar. Now, I have another video where I show you how to set up the iRig and how to connect it to your amp. So sound's going to be coming out of that amp. And I'm going to show you how to record a rhythm track, and then we're going to add a little solo to it. So in order to do that, we want to go down here, the app, and we're just going to, the tape icon, we're just going to hit that, and that opens up this panel here. So this is your track that you're in right now. So if I play, okay, I don't have any effects on. Now turn on your effects. Okay, so now we got the effects. So in order to record the first track, we're going to go to this tape icon down here at the bottom, and that opens up the track. Okay, so let's record something, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to tap on the red button here. Okay, so let's listen back to that track. Let's stop the playback, and you can just drag this back, the pan head right here, we just drag it back, and let's listen to that. So I'm not playing at all. All right, so now we want to do a separate track, and the way we're going to do that is let's bring back our pan head, and then up here we're going to tap on this icon here, and that's going to open up another track. So what we want to do is we're going to select track number 2. Okay, and now that track is selected. See that? Now we have 2 tracks. Okay, and we have the effects on that, and now let's add a little bit of treble, because this is going to be our solo part. All right, so let's go back to that other screen. Now we're ready to record our second track. All right, so now to get out of this screen, we want to go back to our wave format. Now we can see that this track is now selected. This is track 2 right there. And then we're just going to let the rhythm play, and then we're going to start our solo. Okay, so let's get, in order to do that, we're just going to hit record. So there we go. Now we have our second track, and we can even add another track, but for what I'm doing here, all I'm doing is just adding a solo, and so I can just practice that. In order to hear all that back, let's move the pan head back, and we're just simply going to hit play. Let's listen to that. Okay, and we're just gonna let it stop, and that's how you practice with your Amplitude app, and you can record 2 tracks rhythm, and then you can have your solo. You can do that as many times as you want. Hope that was useful. Let me know in the comments if you need any more